Hi, is the lieutenant here?
I'll have somebody talk to you in a minute, okay? Just take a seat.
Hello.
Mr. Peterson?
Yes, hi. Are you the lieutenant?
Sergeant Hogan. No, I'm a sergeant. I'm a supervisor.
Sergeant
Hogan.
Hogan. Okay, I haven't spoken to you. You know, I'm having problems. I never. Oh, go ahead.
It's okay. Sergeant Hogan. Hey. I would like to, but I got too much stuff to do. Well, still got to put the numbers on the DCR, and I got a gentleman in the front lobby that I got to speak with. So I don't know. I've just told him to email me now, so don't worry about it. I'll get to it. No. All right. Okay. Let me call you as soon as I can deal with this gentleman, and I'll call you back. Okay. Thanks. Sorry.
I was supposed to, I guess, or I don't know if Lieutenant Cummins.
Cummins?
Yeah, is he here at all, or
No, he's not available right now.
is he on duty today, or?
He was, but he's probably on his way home.
Because I left numerous messages. He never calls me back. I'm being harassed online, and I've made numerous reports to the police department. They're putting ads on Craigslist now, sending people to my house for motorcycles. They're delivering pizzas to my house. I've reported all this to the police numerous times, and nothing's ever done about it.
Do you know who's doing it?
It's somebody online. If the police, I have some clues and stuff. I think one of the people lives in Miami. Another person was in the Army. He's out of the Army now. You know, I have some clues and stuff of who's doing it, but I mean, it's through AOL, and AOL is more than willing to work with the police on this. They've gotten into my emails. They've actually, it's a misdemeanor in Florida, they disclosed my emails on the public website, AOL. That became a felony under Florida law. Now again, I reported this and nothing's ever been done. There's been instances when other people's emails have been gotten into, Sarah Palin, Christina Aguilera. I know I'm not as famous as those two,
yeah.
But the gentleman who broke into Christina Aguilera's email is serving 10 years in prison for that.
Okay, hi David.
Yes.
Do you have any proof that somebody hacked your computer?
It's not really hacked the computer, they're doing it through AOL. So it's not really getting into my computer. AOL is willing to work with you guys, but like I said, it's kind of a new thing too, cyber stalking, cyber harassment.
It's a hard thing to prove though without having some type of a trail of who's doing it and lead back to, and that's a problem with the cyber world we live in. There's who polices the cyber system. You know?
Right. It's getting kind of dangerous though, because my mom, she's at the house. You know, I usually go to Fort Myers on like Saturdays sometimes with my friends. They post the ads on Craigslist 2 Saturdays. It happened 2 separate times on 2 Saturdays. And, you know, my mom sometimes they're alone. Luckily, she came with us that one time. We went to Fort Myers. And, but, you know, she's there alone sometimes. And that's not cool having people come into the house. You know, she's there. She's 60-some years old.
Now what people are you talking about?
I guess they posted an ad on Craigslist. Now, I emailed Mike Scott the ad before it was taken down. Basically, the law enforcement, Lee County Sheriff's Department, would need to get in touch with Craigslist. They probably have some kind of IP address where, you know, they list that stuff. I know those things can be masked, hidden, and stuff like that.
Do you think that this is 1 or 2 particular people?
3 people. 2. It was mainly 2, but now it's a 3rd person.
Now, have you any idea of any names or anything?
I have locations of where they are. I have like a first name.
Why are they doing this?
I wouldn't consider them hackers. They're like, I guess they're wannabe hackers. They know little AOL tricks to do certain things.
Why you?
It's not only me. It's not just me. There's people all over the United States that's happening. There's a gentleman in Miami. He's 81 years old. He actually worked for the Dade County prison system. Matter of fact, if you guys want, I can have him give you a call. He was in the Navy. He's a decorated, you know, person from the war and stuff. You know, they're harassing him now. They're harassing a bunch of different people. It's an ongoing thing. Hello.
What's up?
This is a Captain Garrison. He's in charge of our.
Oh, okay. Are you above Mr. Hutchins?
Hogan.
Or not Hogan. Cummins. Cummins. You are. You know, I've left messages. I believe I left a message with this young lady to have Mr. Cummins give me a call. He never returns my calls. I guess you're above him, so maybe we can go with you. Being harassed online, I just explained to this gentleman. It's an ongoing thing. They've started to post ads on Craigslist. They're sending people to my house. They've ordered a pizza from Pizza Hut, delivered it to my house. I've reported all this to the police, and nothing's really been done. You guys haven't really investigated or anything. I believe there was a Detective Layler who put on the report that my computer had viruses. Although I've never spoken to him, where he came up with that, I have no idea how he came up with my computer had viruses. And then there was a detective or an agent Nauman's, who I understand is no longer with the Sheriff's Department. He's moved on somewhere else. But he also said that my computer had viruses. And again, I've never spoken to him at all. So what I'd like to do is have something, you know, some kind of investigation done into this.
Hi, how are you?
Several people have looked
So
into
you
your
could help me out.
claims.
Okay.
I work for Capital Bank.
It's been going on
It's a
for
property that's vacant,
for
and we had a
quite some
code
time now.
violation.
Okay, who has looked into my claims?
I don't
Vending
know.
off of our property.
Okay, well, you'll be able to check into that for
So we
me?
posted it with no
We've already looked into
trespassing
this.
sign.
Well, no, you haven't. Can you tell me who looked into it?
You know.
Well, then I'm
go
going to
there,
know, that's
take-
not
I
acceptable.
guess on the
You have not looked into it, and I'm telling you, you get the wrong answer.
Through-
They said I had viruses and stuff, and that's not true, 100% not true. You can contact AOL, they're more than willing to work with you
Right.
guys on this. And you have not looked into the
No, I didn't.
incident with the Pizza Hut thing or the Craigslist thing. Those are two recent incidents that have occurred.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get the ball rolling, we're gonna get an investigation going?
On what?
What did I just say? Craigslist, they're posting ads on Craigslist, they're sending
We
people.
looked into your Craigslist complaint.
Have you? Okay.
When did you file that? It was quite some time ago, right?
No, it was actually maybe a couple months ago, a few
A
months.
couple months ago.
Yeah. Okay, what was the outcome of that?
Someone from Economic Crimes was contacting you on that, right?
There was a Lieutenant Sands, I believe, who called me. He left a message. That's I've not spoken to him.
Their section is the one that was handling your complaint, not us.
Okay.
So you need to reach back out to them.
Why would it be economics crimes though? Is that the division that handles this kind of thing? Or
Yep.
is there a cyber harassment, cyber kind of division within you guys, or no?
No.
Because it's a new kind of thing, but it's going to be. I think it's going to be, you know, more and more in the future. This is going to be a problem for people.
Okay.
Well, David, the cyber thing is more of somebody threatening you to do bodily harm.
Well, they've done that too. I've emailed, Mr. Scott has all these emails. If you go through public records, I've emailed Mr. Scott all these things. The conversations, they said they're going to come to my door with a baseball bat. They said they're going to kill me. I mean, these are all legitimate threats.
Again, but we don't have names or anybody that you're just thinking there's 3 people out there that you said is doing this to a lot of different people.
Right.
This is kind of like in the same realm of somebody calling your telephone and hanging up. So
Well, you can trace that. Trap and trace. Caller ID now. I mean, even in the old days, before call ID, they had something called trap and trace. They'd call 3 times, you could do it through your telephone company.
Are you audio recording me?
Yes, I am.
Okay. You were in a sheriff's office?
Yes.
All right. I am not giving consent to my audio recording.
Actually, the Supreme Court has ruled that on-duty officers have no say in that. You don't need to give my
Outside
consent.
in the
In a
public,
public place.
you're right.
No, actually, an
But this
officer
is-
on duty.
This is my
Officer,
office.
officer on duty. If you're on duty right now, correct?
What I'm telling you is I'm not consenting to my verbal recording.
That's fine. Supreme Court has ruled that, you know, it's okay to record officers on
Have you been
duty.
issued a trespass notice for this building?
Pardon?
Have you been issued a trespass notice for this building?
No, I have not.
You sure?
Yes, I'm for sure. Why would you issue a trespass notice for this building? I'm a citizen, I have access to the police, do you know that? If I have a trespass notice, how could you even issue anyone a trespass notice for a building like this? Because what if I had a crime to report?
Hey, you want me to sign this
You have
somewhere?
a phone?
Which I've called, I've left messages, as I've said. I don't know, are you not hearing that? I said, left a message for the lieutenant a number of times.
Lieutenant Sands?
Lieutenant Cummings, I have left a message for you. And have you returned my call?
Excuse me, no.
Oh,
I have not.
okay, and can I ask why?
Yeah,
No
so
entry.
you want me to sign it?
Okay.
Okay.
No, not at all.
I've got a survey here so they know what
All
property
right,
we
no
have.
You need to leave.
Okay, and we
What,
put these-
why is that?
No, that's.
I need to leave and what? I'd like to make some internal affairs complaints too.
Contact Internal Affairs downtown.
I've done that. They say actually you can do that through any police station. You can do that through. So I'd like to do that. Okay.
Do you have an emergency right now?
No, I do not.
Have a good day.